Hello students, today in maths we will start with new topic, that is one, many. See the first picture. This is one paintbrush. These are many paintbrushes. Draw a circle around the picture showing one object. We need to draw a circle around the picture which is showing one object, that is only one paintbrush. In which picture there is only one paintbrush? In this picture. Very good. So draw a circle around this paintbrush. You can use any of your favorite color. Second picture. This is one marble. These are many marbles. Draw a circle around the picture showing many objects. In this picture we need to draw a circle around the picture which is showing many objects, that means many marbles. In this picture there are many marbles. See the next picture. This is only one flower. These are many flowers. Draw a circle around the picture showing one object. In this picture we need to draw a circle around the picture which is showing one object, that means one flower. This is one flower, so we will draw a circle around this flower. See the next picture. This is one object, that is one top. These are many objects, many tops. Draw a circle around the picture showing many objects. Here in this picture there are many objects, so we will circle this picture. Finish. Next page, that is page number 6. Find the differences. Observe both the pictures given below. Find out and tell the differences between them. In these two pictures we need to observe these two pictures carefully and find out the differences, and we will use different colors for see the first difference. In this picture there are two birds and here four birds, so we will circle these birds. Here four birds. This is the difference. Next, there is a flower and here there is no flower. Next, the color of pant of this boy is different. Next, see the butterfly. Here the butterfly is up, here down. Next, the size of a ball is big, here small. Like this, you need to observe the pictures and mark the differences using different colors. Next, page number 7. Understand and write 1. This is one object, that is sun. One aeroplane. In this circle we need to draw one object, so we will draw a cloud. Okay. Parrot has beak. One. Come on, let's have fun. We will write number 1 and draw one cloud and color it in this box. Draw one star and color it in this box. In this box we will draw a cloud, and you need to color this. Then draw a star and color this. Then in this box you need to write 1. Finish. Next page. 2. Draw 2 objects. In this circle we need to draw 2 objects. So we will draw two stars. 1, 2. Now in this box draw 2 circles. We need to draw here 2 circles, and here we need to draw 2 square. One circle, 2 circle, and 2 square. You will draw with the help of scale and write number 2. Now in this box we need to draw 3 objects. So we will draw 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. Color 3 bats. In this box there are 4 bats. We need to color only 3 bats. 1, 2, 3. Color 3 balls. Here there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balls, and we need to color only 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. Color 3 bats. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bats. We need to color only 3 bats. 1. You will color properly. 2, 3, and write number 3 here. Next, 4. These are 4 water bottles, 4 tiffin box, and we need to draw 4 objects. So we will draw 4 sticks. Color 4 ice cream. Here total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ice creams, and we need to color only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Color 4 jalebis. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jalebis are there. We need to color only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Color 4 chocolates. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chocolates are there, and we need to color only 4 chocolates. 1. You will color properly in your textbook. 2, 3 and 4. Number 5. These are 5 flowers. We are having 5 fingers, and in this box we need to draw 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Color 5 strawberries. There are total 6 strawberries, and we need to color 5 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here color 5 pairs. We need to color 5. There are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But we will color only 5. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need to color only 5. 1. Students, you will color properly in your textbook. 3, 4, 5 and write number 5. Number 6. Here we need to draw 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now place the sting in such a way the 6 objects will be in its loop. We need to place this sting so that only 6 objects will be in this loop. See here, there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hand fans are there, but we will put this sting so that only 6 fans will be here. Second picture, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boards, but we need to put this sting around only 6 boards. So we will start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and write number 6 here. You will write with good handwriting. Seven. Draw 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 lanterns are there. We need to put this string around only 7. So we will start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here lamps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 10 lamps are there. So we will put around only 7. And write number 7. Draw 8 beads. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put the string around 8 caps. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We need to put this string around only 8, like this, and write number 8. Number 9. Draw 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pencil, 10 objects are there. We need to draw around 9. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 objects, 11 erasers are there. We need to put around 9 and write number 9. Finish. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are symbols used for numbers. They are called digits. Practice writing the digits. Here you need to write number 1 in first box. 1, 1, 1. 2. You will complete this box. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then write numbers in the blank spaces. Here 1, 2, 3 is written, 4, 5, 6, 7 is written, 8,